As soon as Obina tapped the egg, it cracked open, and out poured a dazzling light. A beautiful spirit named Nkem emerged. "You have called me," she said. "What is your wish?" Obina explained their predicament. Nkem, with a wave of her hand, summoned a mighty army of animals, the strongest elephants, the swiftest eagles, and the fiercest lions. The animals gathered around the village, ready to protect it. Word spread quickly, and the neighboring village, terrified of the mystical army, withdrew their claim and retreated. Nkem, however, warned Obina, "The magic of the egg is not endless. Use it only when there is great need. If misused, it will bring great misfortune." The villagers rejoiced, praising Obina for his bravery and wisdom. Over time, Obina grew into a great leader, always remembering Nkem's words.
In the next few minutes, I am going to show you how you can create AI animated stories like what you just watched in just 10 minutes with just one prompt. And if you are doubting if these videos can be monetized on YouTube, here is a proof that these videos can be monetized on YouTube. So this video you see right here was uploaded 1 month ago, and you can confirm the number of views we have on this video. And so what we're going to do is to click on the channel link and check if indeed this channel has been monetized. And the first website we're going to use to check whether this channel has been monetized or not is YT Large. Open to YT Large, paste the channel link here, and then what we're going to do is to type the code 908 and then hit on the enter key. So we want to confirm whether this channel has been monetized or not. Right, so now from what we have here, it shows that this channel is monetized on YouTube, and if you scroll down, you can see other details of this channel that you can analyze for yourself. Now the next website we want to check if indeed this channel is monetized is on Social Blade. So on Social Blade, we are going to enter the channel link here, click on the search button to confirm whether what we saw on YT Large is the same. So this is a channel we are talking about, and you can see from Social Blade the estimated earnings per month and then estimated earnings per year. And there are other faceless YouTube channels that use AI to create their content that you can also confirm for yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your African folktale videos with just one prompt. And as usual, to create a story, you will need a script. And to make everything easy for us, we are going to visit our YouTube homepage and type African folktales in the search bar. Now, the moment you type, you see a lot of stories on your homepage. Now go through the stories and look for a story that inspires you and was uploaded recently. So you can see this was uploaded a month ago, and this was also uploaded 12 days ago. So we can either go with this one or go with this one. This is another story that was uploaded 5 days ago. Let's go with this one that has a lot of views but was uploaded recently. For the story idea, we are going to use a YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Cloud Converter to extract the summary. So we're going to click on the icon here and wait for the summary to be generated for us. So our summary has been generated for us. The purpose of this summary is not to copy it or in any way, but to have a story idea to generate our own. So now you can go in with the next prompt by asking ChatGPT to give you a prompt that you can use to generate a similar story, since that story is trending. And also remember to include the cultural background. So I went in with the next prompt. Great. Please generate a prompt that I can use to develop a similar story. Remember to include the cultural background. So with a summary in mind, I asked ChatGPT to generate a similar story for me, and you can see ChatGPT has generated a script for me. So what I'm going to do from here is to copy the script and then paste it on my Google Docs, read through the story and make necessary corrections if there are. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to generate our images for the story. We are going to use a storyteller MotionAI to create our story. Because we already have the script, we are going to make use of this section. So use my content to tap on it, and you are supposed to paste your script here. So we're going to paste the script here like this and then scroll down. So you can see we have reached our limit, which is 2,500 characters. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to reduce the script to 2,400 characters. So here we have the script. We are going to copy it again and paste it here. So let's delete the previous one and paste this one here. So you can see it has fit into the dashboard or into the section. We're going to choose the aspect ratio. We're going to maintain the 16:9, which is for YouTube, and then choose photorealistic and hit on the generate button to generate a storyboard. So one thing I like about the Storyteller Motion AI is that it will even divide your script into scenes for you with appropriate images, so you can go through the images and check if you're okay with the result. If you do not like it, you can go ahead, click on the regenerate button to generate your image. You are going to try this to see if we are going to get different image for that. So let's go through all the images. So we have all the images for the scenes. If you want to add more scenes or more images, then you can use the plus button under each of the scenes. So when you select it like this, the icon will be showing beneath it, then you can add more scenes. You can also animate the images if you want by making use of the animate button to animate the images one after the other, but we are going to maintain it this way. We want the images to be static. So the next thing we're going to do is to hit on the next button to add some few touches to the video. So we are going to choose the title style. Let's go with this one. Let's go with the yellow. Then when it comes to the subtitle, you can choose any of these subtitles or any of these styles. Let's go with this one. Another advantage of using the Story Motion AI is that it can also generate a thumbnail for you. So you can choose any of these styles, how you want your thumbnail to appear. So we can use this one or use the black background or use a white background. So we are going to maintain the first option and choose the scene effect or the zoom effect. So we want to keep this one, the mini zoom. Then when you scroll down, we also have the transition effect. I'll go with the fade in, and then when you scroll down, we also have the voice over. So we can use any of these voice over options. So you can try listening to the voice overs. You can use the arrow here to listen to the voice over options. Now if you do not want to use any of these voice over options here, then I can choose none and use your own pre-recorded voice over that you have generated. So we are going to go with this one. Then under this one, then we are also going to add a background music to our story by going through the stories and choose one of the background music. So we are going to choose the fading motion and add it to our background music, but the only challenge is that you cannot control the volume of this background music. So if you like, you can ignore it and then add your own background music using another editor like CapCut or Canva to do that. So we are going to hit on the composite button. Great, so our story has been created for us within some few minutes. You can hit on the play button to play it. So after generating your story, we can click on the download button and we have two options here, either to subscribe to the premium version and download without watermark or download with the watermark. But initially when this Storyteller Motion was introduced, there was no watermark, but because a lot of people are using it, so now they have introduced the watermark. So we can also download our thumbnail from here by clicking on the thumbnail button, and also download the storyboard by clicking on the storyboard download button from here. So this is another incredible way to create your African folktale stories for your faceless YouTube channel. So we can go back to our project and view what we have done so far. So this is what we did. You can preview it from here, and you can also go through the script here. This is a script we use. It also came with hashtags, so you can go through that and then go back and check other projects on your dashboard. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video on this channel. What do you like about this video? Is this something you want to give it a try? Let me know that in the comment section. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.